Hi there, students. To surmise. This is what you imagine is true without evidence. It's what you guess. It's what you suppose. Yeah? This is making a judgment or an estimation without sufficient evidence to be absolutely certain. To conjecture, if you like. To infer, but without being absolutely certain. So, I surmise that she's pregnant because she vomits in the mornings. Look at that smile on his face. From that, I surmise that he has passed his exam. His English is very good, and I surmise that he speaks various other languages. You normally have a party for your birthday. I surmise that you're going to have one on your birthday this year as well. Okay? So, it's to guess, to imagine, but without concrete evidence to prove that it's true. Let's see, in Middle English, surmise was used with the idea of a formal allegation. Yeah, when you accuse somebody formally of something. Yeah, and it comes from Latin super mittere, to send over. Okay, so, well, I guess I can see the link at least. So, to surmise, a regular verb. So, he surmised that I was going to make 2 videos tomorrow. You can surmise that I'm going to ask for a rating at the end of this video. Yeah? So what about formality? I guess to surmise is slightly formal. Maybe I give it a 6.5 in formality. You could use it in an informal conversation, but I think you might use I guess, I imagine, I think, or even I reckon. So you could use it informal, but best in something semi-formal or very formal. Yeah? To surmise, it's what you infer from what you can see, but you don't have concrete evidence that something is true. I surmise, when I saw him asleep on the floor, I surmised that he'd been drinking again. Yeah? So, to surmise, to infer, to suppose, to imagine, to guess, to make a judgment or conjecture without concrete evidence. So, if you enjoyed the video, give it a rating, subscribe to my channel, and I'll see you soon. Bye for now. To surmise.